Good morning. So today the main focus is going to be to do corrections from our common assessment last week. And I told you I wanted to wait until I was here so I could make sure that I showed you how that was going to work. I don't know if you've done this or been able to see this in any of your other classes. You may have, but I did want to make sure that I had the ability to talk you through it in case there was any problems. So the way that I have set it up is that you will be able to come in here and open this assignment. And we have set it up so that all of the questions are in a Google Slides, and each question is on its own slides page. And on the first slide, I kind of gave you a little bit of direction, although it's not quite showing up pointing to the right thing on this one. It showed up on my screen the other day. It may have been just because I was on widescreen, but this is supposed to be pointing to that text box just in case you were a little bit confused about where it was. So on each slide, if you missed the question, you're just going to insert a text box explaining why you missed it or which one is the right answer and why. So you can go back and look at all of your notes, look at any of the different things that we've given you to help you remember what's what, and say, oh yeah, now I remember this is whatever it is because of that. So that's the text box. So right there, and you would just insert your text box on the slide, tell us what the right answer is. So there's a different slide for each one of those questions that are on your common assessment. And so the questions are numbered on the question itself, but they're also numbered by slides to help make it a little bit easier. Now, to be able to see what questions it was that you missed, I'm going to show you a couple different things because I can't see your questions. So I'm just going to kind of go through things. So you have to go to get to your Aware. You have to go in and sign in ClassLink. And you'll go into Aware Testing. And then this is where I can't show you that part because yours is going to be different. But you'll put in your ID number with the 0, but no initials in front. And then the password again is BHI capitalized, FAIRS lowercase. But remember, this is the password, not your username. It usually, I think I saw that most of y'all's it was filling it in once you went into ClassLink, so you probably won't have to fill it in there anyway, but that's going to take you, and you should now be able to see that test again. Once you go into Aware, and I think it's going to show you this at least a little bit, so that you can at least see what I'm looking at here. So let me zoom in a little bit. So this is just from my training manual so that you can kind of see. So at the once you've already taken it, it will show you which questions you got right, which questions you missed, and if there was something that wasn't graded for some reason, which I don't think that would be the case for any of these, but on some tests, if the teacher has to grade something that you wrote, say for example in math or in reading, you have to write out something or draw something or something along those lines. Nothing for this test, but that would be something that the teacher would have to go back and look at later. But for this, it'll either tell you that you got it wrong or that you got it right. Hopefully you see a whole lot more green ones than this particular example. But it'll tell you the question numbers, and you're going to be able to see which ones are right, which ones are wrong. So then you can just kind of come back and forth between this and where you have these questions. So you can look just for the ones that you missed, and you can go to those questions and you can correct those. You can use any of your notes. You may ask me if you need some help and you can't get it from your notes. I don't want you asking your buddies because, well, and actually they probably, no, I don't want you asking your buddies though. Because that's not the idea. I don't want you to just get a right answer as far as an A, B, C, D, because that's not going to help you on the next test. I want you to understand why you missed it. So look at your notes, look at what we've done on some of the other assignments, talk to me, ask questions, and all of that is fine. Just don't ask your neighbor, please. So that's kind of the idea for this. If you Finish the common assessment corrections, and you still have time. You can finish missing assignments. I don't know if you had time to finish everything from yesterday. If you didn't, go ahead and finish those. But whatever, if you have time left over, then you can work on other classes, missing assignments, and whatever else you might need to do. So that is the plan for today, and I will see you in class. Have a great day.